Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free course on software development, programming language like C++, website design development, mobile app development, any type of software development, and any digital markets uh, development. Anything will involve from software, so you are going to get the free course. So first thing that you need to know, you have to join my WhatsApp group for my digital tech hub and Telegram group for my digital tech. So this is my WhatsApp group for my digital tech hub. So I used to drop free course on software development, like programming language courses for free, digital marketing for free, and trading. So some people are complaining they don't know how they can join the free class for this programming language. So I will show you in this video. So this is my digital hub tech group, so that is telegram own. So I'll drop the video, I'll drop the link of this group in this video description, my telegram and my WhatsApp group, so that you guys can follow to get more free courses on softwares and digital marketing. So firstly, when you join the group, you will see some courses. You will see some courses for free. If you go to my telegram, you will see them. So for my WhatsApp group, you will not see for some previous messages, but for my telegram, if you join, you will see for my previous free courses on software and digital. So when you join, when you see free course like this one, here is a C++ free course alert, the complete C++ programming course from basic background of C++ to expert. So you learn it on English language, coding, that means coding programming, no payment, is free. So enroll now means like to take the course now. So you tap on the link. So firstly, when you tap on the link, it will take you to the website of the platform, that means Udemy. So what you need to do here, you come here down, you will see the free course that you select, free enroll now on Udemy. That is the platform. So what you need to do, it will show you, because me already am on the courses, so it will show you one verification. You need to do that verification to verify you are a human. When you verify successful, it will take you to this place. So for this first thing, what you do here, first you see this the video course. They said preview this course, so you can tap on preview the videos. So those are the full course on C++ programming language. You see code blocks, that is the place that we use to do C++ programming. So you can play the video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to
As per you
another
play the
tutorial.
video,
So in this
you
session,
can watch it, all the courses here. So when you finish this course, they will take you to some courses. So here you don't finish about on this course. So what you need to do, you need to sign up, like sign up anytime. So because there is some free courses, you see web development, mobile development, game development, many courses here, all the categories inside this Udemy. So sign up. So when you come to this sign up, you should sign up with email, full name, email, so you continue. So there is some requirement they will ask you for that. So if you want to do through this process, so for my easy process, you come down here, other sign up options. You can use Google, that means your Gmail. You can use Facebook, your Facebook account. You can use your iPhone ID. So you come to this Google. That is the simple way. So then you will select the Google email that you want to use for this course. For example, I want to use this HausaTech. Then when you tap on this HausaTech, it will show you continue. Then click on that continue. Then when you click on that continue, to immediately you don't register, you don't sign up with your email. You don't sign up in your email. What you learn, understand C++, write C++ code, code blocks, assignment operators, arithmetic operators. So CD, when you come down, when you sign up, when you come down like this, course content, you will see all the course content on C++. You see them from the basic background. If you no sign up, you will not see this from the basic background to the expert level. You see, creative and modify importance. That is the last video that you have to watch on this. So any video you want to review now, for example, now I want to review on this like if statements. So you click on this if statement. Sorry, you come to this review first. You have to start it from the basic background first. If you finish from the basic background of the course, you see basic background of the course, then they will take you to the next. So that is how you could just get your free course on Udemy. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to share for friends and more. So because of more videos on this and free updates group today for online making money like trading, crypto, and all, ethical hacking videos, and many more like AI. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.